More musings from the Dallas Hotel, which is about to be the most famous Dallas hotel that there is. And it's important. It's my home. It's my movie studio. It's the roof over my head for 4 days. I have been doing a big mixture of my trade show business development at Renovation, eating food, resting, but what I came here to tell you about is how I'm currently shopping for an Airbnb short-term rental investment that my husband and I are making. So what I'm doing is I'm doing all of the shopping, and it's a really cool place to be in because I'm actually behaving and moving through the motions that all of my target audiences, like ideal client profile, are doing. So I'm really getting this this firsthand account of how they move through a website. Not that we didn't do that before, but now the hat is really on. I can't tell you how frustrating it is to shop online for materials and fixtures. A lot of the time, I can't easily see products, material variations, specs, and functionality. When I can, I often need to reach out to a sales rep to even request a sample. Like, what? I'm not even ready to talk to a sales rep. I don't even know that I want that type of product until I have the sample. And when I do know I want the product, I'll go and talk to a salesperson. And I really do not want to have to reach out to the company, wait to be put in touch with a rep, wait for the rep to respond, then have them manually place a sample order, and for me to just be waiting for the sample to arrive so much longer than I should have. I really need less things on my to-do plate, right? One more thing to follow up on and a lengthier timeline is not my bag, baby. And yes, I am keeping tabs on these companies that make my design work go more efficiently and more smoothly. Companies and brands and products and designs, stop being dealer first, stop being retailer first, and start being customer first. You can still support your dealers and your retailers, even with these types of improved workflows and optimized business models online.